Welcome to Rishvi Limited. Go to your Linnworks account. Open Channel Integration. Here, add New Integration. Search for BBB. Click Install Application. Provide name. Agree the terms and condition. Select Integration Profile to Common Integration. Enter username and password. Click Next. And finally, click Finish. Find your channel integration. Enable it. Enable Inventory Sync. You can edit your channel integration from here. You can edit channel location mapping from here. You can edit channel mapping from here. You can edit channel payment from here. You can edit channel shipping from here. From here, you can delete the integration. Orders from the BBB channel will show in your open orders. Contact us at info@rishvi.co.uk or visit www.rishvi.co.uk.